Welcome back, everybody, to Retard TV. We're getting ready for another derby. As you see, we got the cars getting ready to go, getting lined up in the pit ground. There's my car right there. We'll be back when all cars are getting ready to roll. Alright, the cars are ready, getting ready to pull out. First one will be coming out will be the number 8, driven by Logan.
You can park wherever you want. You park on any wall.
Alright, next one coming up is the number 4, driven by me. Alright, last one coming in is number 11, driven by Travis. And that machine. Alright, we're getting ready for the countdown. We're going to start from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Last one running this derby.
My back hurts. I might have to get
Again, you get allowed 2 flips. And that is it. Oh, red flag is out immediately on the track. Alright, I'm gonna get flipped over by Travis. Pretty sure I flipped myself in that case. We find out back when we look at the footage. Alright, we're getting ready for a restart in 3, 2, 1, here we go. So all we got, if I flip again, I'm done. See my back starting to peel away on that machine. If there's any parts that come in the track, that'll be a red flag. If any parts fall off your machine, it will be a red flag. Oh, Travis climbed up on top of mine. Oh, another That will mean I'm done for this heat race. We are down to 2 in 3, 2, 1. Let them go.
Maybe. I might. Oh, Let's see. Right.
Oh, it's got a rover.
I can't do much when it's slowing down.
Alright, I'll call it.
That's it. Round 1 is done.
Yeah.
Alright, what do you have to repair on your machine to get out for the second heat?
The back end. That's pretty much it.
Alright, hope will we see you out there?
Hopefully. If not, then I'll be bad. Because I want to try to win this one. Last one, that's why I call it, because I can't push his body too much. It's already broken.
Alright, Logan, what do you have to do to get out for the second heat?
Well, hopefully I can make it without it dying on me, but...
I see you're slowing down, but I think our body's getting caught up in your wheels.
Yeah, I know. So, and now I think I got it out of the way, but I don't know.
Alright, moving on to my machine. I just rolled over. I had to do a little bit of work to the back, which is done, and she's ready to go for heat 2. See you when it's ready. We're back with heat 2. In 3, 2, 1, here we go.
I might already be out.
Oh, Logan. Oh, you got Logan's back. His machine's still running.
No. I'm calling it.
Oh, that's it for Logan. We're down to 2 already.
Ooh.
Oh, red flag immediately on the track. Wow. Alright, we're back. We got the car rolled over, kind of. Back to green. So if we're over one more time, I'm done.
The car might win about that and flipping over. Your car is just messed up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
There we go.
Yeah. You can do it, Jacob. I believe in you. Someday. You can't win a pushing fight with Travis, okay? Ooh.
Oh, that is it for me. Your winner of the second annual Demo Derby is Travis. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.